biggest shift is gone from being a local game to a global price check, and it creates what I call pricing whipple splash. The biggest misconception is that China is a single uniform source of quality. It's not. A developer client had 36 townhouses locked in. We rescued the project from insolvency.
Can you walk through a moment where a project would have failed or become unprofitable without structured sourcing from China? And what exactly China Direct did to turn it around?
I'll tell you about a project that still makes my heart race. A developer client had 36 townhouses locked in at pre-sale prices. Then his local supplier of architectural aluminum window and doors announced a 42% price increases and a 16-week delay. Overnight, his entire project margin was wiped out. He was staring at a loss on every unit with penalty looming. That was the final moment. He couldn't absorb the cost and he couldn't pass it on. The project was paralyzed. Here's exactly what we did to turn it around. Phase 1, the 48-hour surgical audit. We didn't start from scratch. We took his locked-in local specs and drawing. Our team in China cross-referenced them against our pre-vetted database of AS2047 certified factory. Within 2 days, we had 3 factories confirmed they could meet the exact thermal and structural performance with existing molds for the required profile. Phase 2, the pivot prototype. We didn't just get quotes. We flew a sample of existing local hardware to our lead factory in Guangdong. Their engineers reverse engineered and match fabricated a full sample window unit. Then crush shipped it to Australia for his engineer sign off. This wasn't a similar product. It was a direct certified replacement. Phase 3, the logistic bridge. While the sample was in transit, we designed the logistic to hit his critical paths. We consolidated the entire order, windows, doors, and hardware into dedicated containers. We provided him with a daily tracked schedule that matched his revised build program. The result? We secured the supply at 28% saving versus his original price, not the inflated one, with a guaranteed 10-week delivery. We didn't just save the margin, we rescued the project from insolvency. The lesson wasn't about being cheaper, it was about having a parallel structured supply chain that could be activated in a crisis. We became his strategic escape hatch when his local supply chain failed him.